After storm damage, most homeowners ask the wrong question. They ask, how much is the repair? But the better question is, should you even repair it at all? Hey, welcome back to the Roof Lab. If you're dealing with roof damage or even just an aging roof, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to decide repair or replace. No guessing, no pressure, just clarity. Let's start when a repair actually does make sense. In general, a repair is a good option if the damage is isolated, maybe a few missing shingles from a storm, the roof is relatively new, typically under 10-12 years old, and the rest of the system is still in good condition. In those cases, a targeted repair can solve the problem without over-investing. But here's where things shift. A full replacement starts to make more sense when the damage is spread out across multiple areas, the roof's older, usually about 15 to 20 years plus, or you're seeing issues beyond just shingles. Things like flashing problems, soft decking, or ventilation concerns. Because at that point, you're not just fixing one problem, you're patching a system that's already wearing out. And here's the biggest mistake we see homeowners make: choosing the cheaper repair when it's not the right long-term decision. Because that repair might cost you a few thousand today, but if the roof fails again in a year or two, now you paid for the repair and the replacement. And that's where things get expensive. So here's a simple way to think about it. You need to ask yourself, how old is the roof? How widespread is the damage? What's the cost of repair versus a full replacement? And how long do you plan to stay in the home? If the repair buys you real time and stability, it makes sense. But if it's just delaying the inevitable, replacement is usually the smarter investment. At the end of the day, this isn't about selling you a roof. It's about helping you make the right decision for your home. Because the goal isn't just fix a problem today. It's to protect your investment long term. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.